Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm showing you how I am trellising my tomato plants for the 2021 garden season. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming up next. Okay guys, this is what my trellis system is this year for my tomatoes. I have T-posts, though you can use rebar, which we have in the middle. You'll need these T-connectors coupling in the plumbing section of Tractor Supplies where I got this. 1 1/4 inch, and that fits right on the T-posts. And this is electrical conduit. You then need these little connector pieces to connect your conduit every 10 foot. The conduit is 10 foot. And our bed is 21 foot, so we have put this a foot in on each side so that there's less than 10 foot between each post, so we're not trying to reach each conduit to each other. I'll show you how to put it together, and then from here we're going to do string down to the base of my tomato plant, and the tomato plant's going to grow up. I'm going to keep twirling it around the twine as it grows. Put that screwdriver for me. Oh, and you will need a Phillips screwdriver for these. Ooh, hot. It's been sitting in the sun. Oh, hot. Will you go grab my gloves for me? Wow. FYI, this stuff is sitting in the sun. It gets hot. Duh. Right? Wait for my gloves. No gloves? Shoot. Where are my gloves? Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Mom,
Yes, ma'am.
what does PS mean?
PS?
Yeah.
It's kind of stands for by the way. Will you grab the
I saw
screwdriver?
it in Mickey, Ricky, and Dog.
I found that it was easier to screw up than it was down. So try that. Convenient enough, we had a spare piece of conduit laying around that happened to have this hook on the end of it, and I was like, perfect, I'll just hang it on my arch trellis right next to the tomatoes, and yeah, I made it work. Hopefully, this connector piece will fit in here. It is right where I need it to connect. Easy enough. Easy enough. Alright, well they're up. Simple enough. Do it by myself. Hey guys, it's a new day. It rained and it's a little chilly, so it's kind of nice. I'm gonna go ahead and twine up these tomatoes. Let's go. I got these 2-foot bamboo stakes that I'm going to put at the base of each plant. And then I've got some twine that I got from a friend taking her hay to her horse, and I took the twine off the bale, so I'm just using this. And bamboo sticks. And I got me a little hammer. With the stakes, I just chose the skinnier end, and in some cases I needed to sharpen one end with my pocket knife or my little trimmer fiskars that I have that have a knife end on the side. Our garden, we have a ton of rocks, so a lot of times I was meeting some rocks with the stake, or I just moved it, or it just didn't go in as much as I wanted. Just tie it on the bottom. I did just do a simple tie just so it doesn't move up, and then you'll tie it up to the top rung and just kind of make it loose, not too tight. This first one is a little tight, but these first tomatoes here are Romas, which don't really grow all, up real high, so that was okay. I kind of learned my lesson there. I just needed to do a simple knot at the bottom and simple knot at the top at the rung, and just leave it a little looser so you can weave and spiral the plant up the twine as it grows. At the end, I'll go ahead and show you how I wind the plant around the twine as it grows. I may or may not do this next year. I do like it, and it looks nice. It is kind of tedious setting up all these plants. It took me about an hour or so to do all of these plants, 2 rows of tomato plants. But hey, if you are finding value here, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to ring the bell because I have a lot coming up next. And here it is. I do like this, and you can see why you want to leave it a little loose. This is much easier with 2 hands, but I just didn't have a cameraman, so just me one-handed showing you, and you just wrap it around. And hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again next time.